In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Acura MDX. The process for one will be the same as the other. On the driver's side, you'll be using a 26-inch wiper blade, and the passenger side is a 21-inch wiper blade. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we're going to mention is you want to be extremely careful with your wiper arm. It's under spring pressure, trying to hold the wiper blade down to the windshield. Once you have this off of here, you need to make sure you're holding onto that wiper arm and you'll gently rest it against the windshield if needed. Don't let it slap down, it will break the glass. Continuing on, we can start removing the wiper blade from the wiper arm. It's important to mention that different wiper blades have different connection points. On this one in particular, it has a locking plastic tab that makes its way around, so I'm going to have to pry this out of place. For that, I'm going to use a small pocket screwdriver. Just pop it along one side, same along the other. A quick inspection and we'll dispose of this properly. Now we're going to lift up on that wiper arm. We'll have to gently twist on this and we should be able to slide the wiper blade off of the wiper arm. There it is, friend. A quick inspection of our wiper arm, make sure it's not rotted or damaged, and now it's time to install our brand new wiper blade. As for the brand new wiper blade, you want to make sure you come towards the wiper arm, press it against, and then slide it into the hook position here. That'll lock it in. Listen for a click. We're going to give this a little tug to ensure it's properly locked in. Assuming it is, gently rest it against your windshield. As I mentioned, the process for one of your front wiper blades is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.